Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Going ahead, shipping and receiving. These are some of the, you can say, part of advanced shipping and receiving, such as automatic location assignment. In case you have a web store and you can say you have some web orders. In case if you ship it from multiple locations, what NetSuite does is, depending on the locations and depending on the shipping address of the customer, it automatically defines or it calculates that this would be the best location to ship this particular item. In case if you want to use that automatic location assignment, we can check that. Whether we want to use advanced shipping, pick, pack, ship when we fulfill, whether we want to have the store pickup. When we did the order to cash process, in that we had that store pickup right. In case if you want to have that, we can check that check boxes. Similarly, in case if you want to generate shipping labels when you ship something, you can generate shipping labels as well, the barcodes, what's the shipping address and all other stuff. In case if you want to have that integration done and generate the shipping labels from NetSuite, you can do that as well. Similarly, in case if you want to have that as well. Similarly, in case if you want to have advanced receiving, multiple shipping routes and shipping partners, we can enable those features as required. Similarly, billing. These are also part of advanced financials. In case this is not, but the other ones, the charge-based billing, billing operations, invoicing group, and advanced billing are part of advanced. In case if you want to bill cost to customers, in case if we are entering some timesheets and expenses, and if you want to bill it or invoice it to the customer, we can check this checkbox. Whenever we enter any timesheet, we'll have the option whether we want to invoice that to the customer or not. Similarly, payments, in case if we want to use credit card payments, if we want to do it to the, if you want to use or accept credit card payments from the customer, we can do that. In case if you want to have PayPal integration, electronic fund transfer. In case if we have purchased the EFT module from NetSuite, we will have these options available, whether we want to add the electronic fund transfer or not, or ACH payments and on and forth. This was something related to enable features in transactions. Is that fine? Similarly, when we went through the items, I explained you right what is dropship and special order items, right? Do you remember that? What is a dropship item? What is a special order item? The vendor will direct send it to the customer location. Special orders are customized items that we sell to the customer. We don't keep their inventory. We directly order it to the vendor. Once we receive it, we ship it to the customer location. Whether we want to use the dropship, you can say a dropship items or special order items. Whether we want to use matrix items, I also gave you an example for matrix items, right? It might have various colors, sizes, types. In case if you want to use matrix items, we can enable that feature. Whether we want to have multiple vendors defined on item, we can do that. Similarly, gift certificates. In case if we want the customers to enter gift certificates for a particular item that they purchased, we can do that. In case if you want to generate any barcodes and item labels, we can generate that as well. Whenever we procure or do the item receipt, we can generate various barcodes and stick it. That whenever we sell it, we can just scan it and the information would get populated. Similarly, there are some other options available for advanced inventory as well. I will not go into the detail of this as of now. Similarly, talking about inventory, what are the items that we would like to use? Whether we want inventory items or not. Whether we want assembly items or not. Under assembly, I also mentioned that now there is advanced bill of materials as well. In case if you want to use advanced bill of materials. In case if we have manufacturing, whether we would like to have work orders created. These are parts of advanced inventory module. Serialized inventory, lot tracking, bin management, advanced bin management, and all other stuff. Similarly, in case if you want to use demand and supply plan or not. Whether we want to use standard costing or whether we want to use group pricing or group costing. All are part of advanced inventory and some of them are part of manufacturing as well. Whether we want to have inventory count, whether we want to use manufacturing, routing and work center or not. All these are part of advanced inventory and manufacturing. We want to use 5 cent personal base item slash sorry. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.